cannot help you. No, I'm calling Dad. Good. Call your dad. Touch me ever again.
So I'll tell you right now, your two options again. You go over or you go to jail.
You too. Don't fucking
Okay. All right. Go ahead. Talk big. I don't give a shit. You're getting out of here. You're going to jail. Those are your two options.
Fucking now.
Hop the fence. Get out.
Fuck over that fence. You know what? It's not like this. People hate us. People hate us, and that's not how it is. I'm awesome. I hope you know that. I'm fucking awesome. No, you suck, and you suck too.
Okay, so you want to go to jail?
Every cop that I've ever talked to has always been here to pick up trash. That's your job.
We're on the
Because you guys don't help me. You know what? I'm gonna be dude, I'll fight you without a fucking dude. I'll fight you without shit on my wrist. I'm a goddamn Flaherty. You never met a Flaherty or what? You never.
She was up on the stage. The crowd wanted her off. And her own mother was standing right there, keys in hand, begging her to just come home. All she had to do was walk away. Instead, in the next few minutes, she'll shove the one person trying to save her and end the night in a jail cell. This is Polk County case number 2023-06989, and it's all on Bodycam. September 30th, 2023. The River Bottoms Festival in Runnells, a small community event. Live music, food, families out late on a Saturday night. 3 Polk County deputies are working it off duty. Deputy Dowdovic, Deputy Dawson, and Deputy Spracklin. Routine crowd detail. Right up until 11:15 p.m., that's when it gets flagged to them an attendee is up on the stage, and people want her down. She's causing a scene.
Hey, fuck her, she's already been cut off in the mall.
Can I meet my child?
Hey, rush her, fuck her. Come on.
First of all, second of age, I'm about ready to. Fucking move! Fucking move! It's not funny to me. It's not
Sorry, I
funny
don't
to
like
me.
to curse like that, but
Now!
Go before you go to
I'm
jail.
too much, so let that shit happen,
Now!
I apologize for being upset. I apologize for being next over.
I'm gonna, any day, you throw that away. Okay?
You're all good.
Don't touch me. Do not touch me. I'm gonna fucking beat your ass! Now! Do not fucking touch me! Get over that fence! Don't touch me! Get over the fence! Or I cannot help you! No, I'm calling Dad. Good. Call your dad. Please. Do not fucking touch me! Call Dad. Do not touch me ever again! Do not touch me ever again! Get over the fence! Don't touch me! Don't fucking touch me! Do not fucking touch me! Over the fence! And fuck you too! Don't fucking touch me! Do not fucking touch me! Don't fucking touch me! Don't fucking touch me! I cannot help you! I help myself! I help myself! Don't fucking touch me! You will not! Do not fucking touch me! Ever! Do not fucking touch me ever again!
So I'll tell you right now, your two options again. You go over or you go to jail.
You too! Don't fucking
you go
touch
over or you go to jail.
No!
Those are
Don't
two options.
fucking touch me ever!
Okay.
You think you're a police
Okay.
officer?
All right,
No.
go ahead, talk big. I don't give a shit.
No.
You're getting out of here. You're going to jail. Those are your two options.
Fucking now!
Hop the fence. Get out.
Fuck over that fence! Now! I will call my dad.
I am so.
No,
I'll
you're
call
fine.
my dad. You don't get the respect that you deserve.
Okay, thank you.
Fuck over the fence! I taught her better than this.
Nope, you're fine.
Seriously?
Don't worry about it.
I'll get my dad because this is bullshit.
Okay.
I will throw you over this fucking fence. Throw me over the fence then. Get off.
Hey,
Get over
leave.
the fence. No. Get over the fence. Get over. Look. Look over there. It's low. You don't have to jump it. I'm not worried about jumping the fence. Then jump the fucking fence, bitch. No, I'm worried about the retarded people. You know what? It's not like this. People hate us. People hate us, and that's not how it is. I'm awesome. I hope you know that. I'm fucking awesome. No, you suck, and you suck too.
Okay, so you want to go to jail then?
No,
Take me.
no.
I'm asking you right now. You
Take
want to go to
me.
jail because that's where we're at.
Take me.
You either go with your mom or go to jail.
I've already been.
I am begging you,
I've already
officer.
been.
Seriously.
She's fucking right here.
You're here to cause problem. That's your only job.
I'm about ready to
That is your only job. That is why you're here.
Okay.
Hey,
Deputies move in and make contact with a woman later identified in the report as Gracie Flaherty. According to the deputies' report, the moment they start walking her off the stage, she turns aggressive. And there's a detail that explains a lot of what follows a strong odor of alcohol coming off her as they escort her away from the crowd.
hey, look.
No, that's why he's goddamn here. Every cop that I've ever talked to has always been here to cause trouble, never to help.
So-
They are never here to help. They are never here to help.
You have
They
5
you
minutes
know-
to leave.
No,
You have
I
30 seconds to leave. That, I'm counting.
Hold on,
30
hold on, hold
30
on.
seconds to
Listen
leave.
to me.
I'm not listening to you. Other side.
No, I said you're not American.
Other side.
Go over there. Go over there.
You have 30 seconds
Because
to
I've
leave.
been here. I'm here
I don't
for the
care.
cop.
Otherwise, we'll take it.
I want you guys to help me. I want you guys to help me.
Officer.
I don't care. You're done.
You don't care, then go fuck off! Go fuck somebody else, bitch! Go fucking off! Fuck off!
Then, someone else arrives. Her mother identified as Sarah Dale. And here's what makes this case land differently. Mom isn't there to argue with police. She's there to defuse it to grab her daughter and take her home before this becomes a record.
Fuck off! They never care! They never help! They never care!
Are you gonna go there or are you gonna go to jail?
You
I'm
never
here to
help!
help right now. I'm trying to
You
save your
never
ass
help.
from going to jail.
You never help!
Alright.
I have been here, and you guys never help.
I have no clue what you're talking
You guys
about.
never help.
I have no idea what you're talking
It
about.
doesn't matter. You guys
It's
never
because-
help.
It's
I've been
because
through.
I have called for DV, and
And
I've never
been
gotten
through
any
the
help, so
ringer,
she
and
doesn't trust you guys.
never help.
Care about the trust.
You guys
So
never
I
help.
need,
Period.
here's my right.
You know
Hey,
what?
I
Pick
need
up
you
trash.
fucking now.
Pick up trash. That's your job.
We're on the
Because you
other
guys
side.
don't
I've got
help
the
me.
sheriff.
You know
I've
what?
got- I
I'm
need
gonna
you
be
fucking
all.
now.
I'm gonna be all on my own because you guys don't give a fuck.
I don't know where I am. You
guys
can find me.
Literally
What
don't
side of
give
town
a
is this? Is
fuck.
it south?
You
I don't know
don't.
my
Yeah,
directions.
we're on the south.
We're on the south side with the
Southwest side.
barricades.
Don't give a fuck.
The road that takes you to the co-op.
The right, the road that takes you to the co-op. The road that takes you to the
Don't
co-op.
touch me.
Alright, that's it.
Why are you touching me?
The report is clear. Sarah is trying to calm Gracie down and get her out of there. Watch what her daughter does with that lifeline. First move deputies do the smart thing. They don't cuff her, they don't escalate. They walk her away from the crowd to the south of the stage to take the audience out of it.
Why are you touching me?
You're done.
Fucking stop! Why are you touching me?
Because
You're
you
done.
don't stop, baby.
I'm not
You're gonna put hands on
doing
somebody, you're going to
anything.
jail.
But you're not.
I'm not putting hands
Oh,
on
you just did,
anybody.
so you're going to jail.
I'm
So
not
that was your
putting
decision,
Can
not
I
ours.
take her purse?
Yep. Yep.
I'm not
Just wait
putting
till we get her
hands
up,
on
right?
anybody. Why am I going to jail?
Because you're being
Because you
stupid.
did, baby.
I did not.
You didn't listen to me.
No, son, you're going.
Go the fuck away. Back the fuck up.
Let's walk. Just
Go that way, bitch.
Dawson wants to take her. No,
Guys, I didn't do anything. I'm confused.
Okay.
No, you didn't. No, I didn't put my hands on anybody. You
Okay.
guys put your hands on me.
Alright.
You guys put your hands on me.
Okay.
And I'm
Going to jail.
not doing anything wrong.
Okay.
You guys put your hands on me.
Okay.
You put your hands on me.
Okay.
And you've been here since like what, 5 o'clock? That pedo stash and everything?
Yep.
Yeah, I know.
De-escalation 101. But the report says she's aggressive the entire way. This is the turning point.
Doesn't matter.
Sheriff, let it go.
She can cuffs
Stop
already?
holding me.
Yeah.
Keep holding me.
If you would like to take her.
If you keep holding me and you give me Bruce, swear to God, swear to fucking God, dude, I'll fight you without a fucking dude. I'll fight you without shit on
Where'd
my
Mom go?
wrist.
I have no
I'm a
idea.
goddamn
I'm trying to
Flaherty.
get her
You
out.
never met a Flaherty or what? You never.
Mom's now in the middle of it, trying to talk her daughter into leaving. And instead of calming down, Gracie turns on her. The report states plainly that Gracie shoved and pushed her mother more than once. That's the psychological core of this whole clip. Not a stranger, not the police first.
Met a Flaherty. Let go of me! Let go of me! Let go! What the hell are you doing? Nothing. I didn't do shit.
Pick what up?
How old are you? How old are you?
I need a lawyer.
No, you're not getting one now.
I get a lawyer.
How old are you?
I get a lawyer. Have you ever heard of law enforcement?
Yeah.
I get a lawyer.
There's a strap on there you can undo.
Her mom, the one person with zero motive except getting her out safe from there at Cycles. The report describes her getting into the deputies' faces numerous times, and the officers keep offering the same off-ramp over and over. Leave with your mother. Go home. That's it. No ticket. No cuffs. Just go, but she refuses to follow directions. She refuses to leave the area. And in a moment like this, that refusal has a name under Iowa law. It's interference with official acts. Every second she stands her ground, she's trading a ride home for a booking photo. With the exits used up, deputies place Gracie in wrist restraints and walk her to Deputy Dawson's patrol vehicle.
I hope both of you know that you're going down. I hope both of you know you're going down.
Let's put in the back to let her see.
I hope they both know they're going fucking down!
Gracie, Gracie, look at me.
Have a
Look
seat.
at me. Shut the fuck up and do not say a damn word. Do you understand me? You do what they say.
I'm gonna kill somebody.
You know what?
I'm gonna fucking kill somebody.
Stop! Can I please just
Sit down, motherfucker.
Hey.
Grow a pair,
Hey.
motherfucker.
Yeah, I don't know how she got a wristband. She went ahead of I did. She went ahead of me.
Where's your ride?
I'm right here. Yes.
Where is the fucking car? I want a car right here.
Give it on here.
It's the red car right there.
Well, I need a car right here.
All right, please. Can you have? She does not trust you guys.
I understand.
I do not
It
trust.
doesn't.
I
she
do
did
not.
is what she did.
She did. I'm not denying
you're
that.
not? Okay.
I totally am not. But I am having anxiety because I don't trust
I
you.
understand. We gave her tons of options. She
Oh,
decided to put hands on
absolutely.
somebody.
You saw me trying to.
No, it's not on you at all.
Shut up! Shut up!
I don't know.
Does she have an ID in her wall or in the
I don't.
Don't know.
What's the first?
Alright, are you guys good? Can I run? Alright.
Dawson transports her to the Polk County Jail. Photos are taken and uploaded into evidence the charges, public intoxication, and interference with official acts. 2 misdemeanors that didn't have to happen. Because strip away the stage and the crowd. And this was a night with the simplest possible off-ramp her mom. In a parking lot saying, "Let's go home." And she said no.
Gracie, how are you? I'm about to hit somebody in the goddamn face. That's what's that fucking. I'm bleeding from my goddamn forehead. I'm bleeding from my forehead. All right, I'm bleeding from my forehead. Fuck everyone else. I didn't do anything. No, fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you.
So here's the question. When someone's too far gone to make the smart call, and the smart call is standing right in front of them, keys in hand, whose responsibility is it to stop the night from ending like this? Hers? The alcohol's? Or is there a point where the people around you can't save you from yourself? Tell me in the comments. And be honest, if that was your family member on that stage, what would you have wanted the deputies to do? If you want more real Polk County body cam breakdowns like this, hit subscribe and the bell new case every week.